We did. So remember David?
All right, guys.
He was out mowing.
It's another day. Another day, another dollar, man. Box Truck Chronicle on this channel. What I'm up to, I'm just gonna go ahead and record my journey of making 5K a week with my box truck. Alright? And mind you, that's my side hustle, man. This is just a side hustle for me on my week, on my days off, man. Alright, so on my days off, when I'm off, I'm out there hustling, getting it. I just got 2 texts just now. 2 drops, 2 deliveries. One paying $93. One paying $160. Alright? And it's within 15 minutes of each other, man. You know what I mean? And it's all going to the airport. Alright, so basically, how I'm doing that, man, I'm hooked up with a few companies out here in Houston, Texas. And they are just, you know what I mean? I'll just text them in the morning, let them know, hey, I'm available today. I'm available today, and they'll just be sending me loads, you know what I mean? So this is how I'm doing it, you know? So I'm on my way to pick up my truck right now from the storage yard. Do, you know, regular routine maintenance on it. Check it out, check the tires, check water, check oil, check your belts, make sure your belts don't look like they're cracking, you know, because you don't want to be stranded on the side of the road, man. But I mean, obviously there's things that you won't be able to help, but for the most part, do what you can, man, to help. Do what you can, at least minor maintenance, you know. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do for the first part, do minor maintenance, and then yeah, jump in the truck. I gotta go pick up the paperwork first, and then go pick up the load. The load has a 1 o'clock cutoff time, so I have to deliver it before 1 o'clock on one of the loads. He just let me know that I have a 1 o'clock cutoff time on one of the loads, so I gotta haul ass a little bit because it's 9 o'clock already, and I gotta go pick up the load and bring it to the airport. So, and sometimes when you get to the airport, even if you're there, you know what I mean, they could kick your load back. So it's a lot, you know what I mean? It's all fun and games sometimes, man. But you know, I guess some of them, as long as you're there by the cutoff time, they'll take the load and, you know, take it in. So let's go, man. Next, you will see me at the truck. Let's go. All right, man. I'm over here at the storage yard. It's a little muddy out here. It rained a lot last night, man. It's gonna be a little muddy out here, but yeah, gonna get it. A lot of box trucks out here, man. A lot of rigs, a lot of big rigs, a lot of trucks out here. A lot of hustlers out here, man, in the storage area. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get it, man. What we're gonna do? We are on the grind. Yep, that's my box truck ahead of us right here. Big yellow. That's us. There's several ones out here, man. There's several trucks out there. Yeah, but that's what we're gonna do. Do minor maintenance. Check your water. Check your oil. Check water. Check your oil. Check your tires. Check the tension in your belt. Check your belt. Make sure there's no cracks in the belt. You know, because you know, if there's cracks in the belt, it's gonna pop. So that's what you want to do. First thing when I get to the truck. Yep, it's the old Max Force, man. Most people talk shit about the Max Force, man, but I've had this truck for a little while now, and man, I haven't had that much problem. You know, so we get here, it's time to warm up the truck. Check the water, check the oil. Check water, check oil, check everything, man. For those that don't know how to check it, this is how you pop your hood. this latch right here. Walk around, the other side has the same latch on the hood for that truck right here. And you could just pull that forward. All right, there's a hole right there. You pull it forward, your hood pops up. All right, engine, water here, oil dipstick. So we're gonna go ahead and do some little minor maintenance, check it out, and then we're gonna move forward, man. See you guys in a little bit. All right, man, let's get it. We're in the truck right now. I'm heading to go pick up the paperwork from the guy I'm running the loads for. I got 2 already, and that's what we're gonna do, man. Make this money on my days off from my regular job, all right? This is my side hustle. Yo, I'm a man with many hustles, man. So on this one, we're just gonna record how we make 5K a week. 5K a week. With the box truck. So let's get it, man. So hey, if you're interested, man, subscribe to the channel, man, and let's grow this channel real quick. Subscribe, share it, watch it, and let's grow the channel. And I'll be putting some good content on there, man. I have a lot of good content. Let's go. Yep. We rolling. They hating. I'm telling you, man. It's easy. Easy breezy. Nah, man. Let's get it. Just a hustle, man. Just a hustle. Oh, I got a next step from this guy. Pretty sure he's telling me he got something else for me. I could have been gone early, man, but he didn't tell me yesterday that he had anything going on, so I guess they're all popping up right now, so it's all good. I don't mind being on the road all day. That's money I'm making, money in my pocket instead of sitting at the house, chilling on my day off. You know what I mean? We hustling, we getting it. Everybody hustling. You see that man, my man right there with his lawnmower on his truck, on his trailer and everything. And it's a hustle, man. It's a hustle. He gets to get it. Know what I mean? You gotta get it, man. Go get it. Go get that money. There's a lot of opportunities out here, man. You just gotta think about it. Most people put all the eggs in one basket. Most of them have that one job paying them. Most other people like me have multiple jobs, multiple stream of income. I have this, I have a regular job. My regular job is a 6-figure job too. I'm a process operator at Chevron Phillips. So it's a 6-figure job. But I work a DuPont schedule, so I have 7 days off. I have 3 days off throughout the week. I'm hustling on those days, man. So, you know what I mean? You just gotta be a go-getter, a grinder. And also, I do air conditioning. My previous trade was AC, so I do AC. I still do AC for friends, family, and referrals. I don't really market it much, but in the Houston area, it's really hot. So if you do AC, if you know how to do AC work out here in Houston, you'll stay with money in your pocket, man, for sure. So that's my side hustle. Air condition. I got the box truck. You know, I got an online store as well. Gotti God Plus. Check it out, man. Gotti God Plus. We have a lot of good, cool gadgets on there. Cool stuff you need for your house. Check it out. So, yep. But on this channel, we're gonna just be talking about the box truck, man. Let's get the box truck going. There's a lot of people out here interested in how to do the box truck thing. I had a few friends that put me on, told me what to do. And I use the box truck for everything. For moving. For friends that just want to move their furniture. I got a friend that's a DJ. He want to move his sounds, his speakers and stuff. Every time he get a gig, I'll be like, hey man, just instead of renting a U-Haul, holla at me. So, There's money in that box truck, man, depending on how you use it. You just got to be willing to get up and go. Jump in that truck and go make that money. So let's get it. All right, man. So we're back at it again. Empty truck. I'm already at my bay for my first pickup. You got it? Waiting for this guy to bring that stuff to me. I can load up the truck. They're looking for it. Looking for the package. It's nothing big, man. 2 small boxes. Pays me $93. Hey, let's go. Let's do this, man. It's a hustle. It's a grind. You know what I mean? I use the box truck for everything. For moving furniture. For working. So let's do it, man. You know, we out here in Houston. We still gotta wear a mask. Some places wouldn't allow you to come in without a mask. Some places don't care, you know what I mean? But it's all good. I wait for my protection, you know. I don't know what's going on out here, so that's what it is. Yeah, so we're gonna get loaded up, guys. Next, you will see me on the road. I'm getting my paperwork. I already got the paperwork. I got a next pickup to go do, and then I'm taking it to the airport. So that's what's up, man. Pallet jack right here. Yeah. What's that? That's it?
Yes.
Damn, I thought you were gonna use the forklift, man, for that first load, right? Small boxes. Pays me $93. Take it to the airport, 6 minutes away. You know what I mean? Small boxes. Paperwork in hand. Go. All right, man. It's easy. All right. 2 small packages. Pay me $93. And I'm off to the next one. Pulling out. You know what I mean? It's easy, man. The hustle is easy, guys. I'm heading up to Rankin, which is maybe like, I'm on Greens Road right now. I'm heading to Rankin, which is maybe like 5 minutes, 6 minutes to the next spot. And then I'm going to the airport, which is maybe like 10 to 12 minutes away. And that's an easy $200, $300, I think. I need to calculate it to see how many. I have 3 loads right now, so I need to calculate it and see how much I'm making on my first drop. All right, guys. So let's get it, man. The box truck life. Let's chronicle that shit. Let's go. Yo, let's go, man. It's a beautiful day out here. Recording it for you guys. Putting it out there on wax. Like everybody's saying. But yeah. I'm going like 4 minutes away. My first pickup to the next one. 4 minutes away. And heading to the airport. So easy, breezy, beautiful, cover dirt. Yo, it's easy, man. You know what I mean? Let's get it, man. Easy money. You know what I mean? If I get the opportunity to go out of town, go out of road, I mean, maybe Dallas, San Antonio, Austin, I would take it, you know what I mean? But for now, it's right here. Right here in the Houston area. I get to go home every evening, park the truck, go home, see my family. All right. We back at it, guys. I'm just waiting for those guys to come load me up with my second load. And my first one right here. I'm over here at Slumber J. Slumber J. Slumber J got a bunch of units, man. One time I interned with Slumber J. They have a lot of different plants at different locations. From Texas to Louisiana, man. I went through maybe at least 10 different of the locations that they have that they own. So this is one of them over here. I didn't even know this one. Yeah, they keep buying different. Slumber J is the type of person, if you're making what they need, they just buy you out. So you making what they need, they buy you out, so they got it. That's how they roll. Yep. Yeah, but I'm here waiting for them to come load me up. I got a 1 o'clock cutoff time to the airport. Hopefully I can make it there. And make me some money, man. So y'all know how it is, man. It's 5K a week challenge with the box truck. Yep. Let's get it.